In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly powerful 5-minute free method you can use with Facebook that will allow you to generate $4,000 or more per week, even if you don't have a website, a following, or any experience online. Now, I'm literally going to share every single step as far as how to find a good converting product to promote, how to find viral videos that you can use without even having to create your own content yourself, and even towards the end of the video, I'm going to share with you how to ensure these videos go viral so you can get loads of clicks to your affiliate link and get commissions flooding in. So you want to be sure you watch the entire training. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to click the like button and also comment "Let's go" to show others you're serious about creating income online. Now, real quick, before I dive in, I just want to share some recent proof so you can see I know what I'm talking about when it comes to making money online. So you can see right here that recently I received a Facebook message from one of my YouTube viewers. They said, "Garrett, my sales have gone up to $500 or more a week now." I love receiving these messages because it tells me that you guys are using these methods and going out there and creating real income. So now this method is all about copy and pasting on Facebook. You can see that there's all these different videos. Now this is in the dog niche. This method can work in any single niche you want to promote products in, but you can see, this funny dog video got 1.2 million views. I mean, you can see this one right here, "Try Not to Laugh," 1.9 million views. And like I said, I'm going to share with you exactly how to find videos you can use as your own, get tons of views, and start to get free traffic so you can make money even while you're sleeping. So the very first step is we need to actually find a product to promote. There's a lot of places to go. One place is clickbank.com. Now, I'm going to use ClickBank in this video, but it's definitely not my favorite place. The payouts can be a little slow. I'm going to include a link directly below to that first link. When you click that, you're going to see a free video revealing my #1 affiliate system to promote and earn 100% instant commissions. But like I said, for this video, we're going to be using ClickBank. Okay, so you just want to click start here. If you don't have an account, you go ahead and register. And once you're inside your back office, you want to click this marketplace tab. Now they have all these different categories and different niches. Like I said, it works in any single niche, but for this video, we're actually going to go up here and you can just type in something like dogs, okay? Because we're going to be promoting in the funny dog niche. And you can see right here, sort results by, we want to do gravity on ClickBank. This shows us the best-selling products at the very top of the page. And this one does not have to do with dogs. So we can see this one right here, brain training for dogs, gravity score of 94, which is pretty good. Anything above 30 is pretty good. And it gives you an average conversion amount of $31 per referral, which is not bad. So once we find a product, if you're using ClickBank, you want to click promote here. You can click create hop link, and then you can actually go and copy this affiliate link here. Now, the next thing we're going to want to do is go over to a free site called tinyurl.com. And once you're on this site, what this site does is it shortens affiliate links, makes them more attractive. So all we have to do is just put in that long affiliate link and click make tinyurl. And then we can go ahead and click copy, and it's going to copy this link. Now, once people go to this link right here, it's going to redirect them to our affiliate link. It's just shortening the link. You can see this has to do with dogs, okay? This is very relevant. Now, you can open up a notepad file and you can actually put in that tinyurl shortened link because we're going to use it in a little bit later. So the next thing you want to do is, in order to post these videos that go viral right here, you need to have a Facebook fan page. So to do that, you just go to Facebook. Chances are you probably have a Facebook profile. You can just click the pages tab, and then there's going to be a button to click to create a fan page. Okay, so once you do, it will take you to a page like this. For the page name, you can make it relevant to the niche you're in. So I could do best funny dog videos, okay, something like that. Category, okay, you can, type in like animals, okay, animals and pets, just choose a category. Bio is optional, and then you can just click create page. Now, I already have a page here created in the make money online niche, and you can see I've been able to gain close to 10,000 likes. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna be able to find other people's videos and use them as our own, okay? So one amazing place to find viral videos that we can use as our our own is TikTok. Okay, TikTok's very popular. You can just go to the very top and then just type in funny dogs or weight loss or making money, whatever niche you're in, and we just search that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna see it has videos. We wanna click that, and we wanna see the videos that get a lot of views. Okay, typically they're gonna be at the top of the page. It says 33 million views, which is incredible, 23 million. So what we wanna do is we wanna open up one of these videos right here, and you can see right here it says copy link. We wanna copy that link right there and put it in our notepad file. Now, we're gonna use this in a few minutes. The other thing you wanna do is you want to actually note the person's profile that actually posted this video. Okay, so we can just copy that. We wanna go here, and then we can just put it right under. Okay, so we know that that video came from this person. The next thing we wanna do is we wanna get a few videos, okay? 2 to 3 videos. The goal is to get enough where it will last 2 to 3 minutes, because on Facebook fan pages, these videos are pretty good. When they're longer, you can see 10 minutes, 6 minutes, okay? So we wanna find a few more, okay? So I can just open up, this one right here. It really doesn't matter. Copy link, put it in there, enter, okay? And then we just wanna, again, copy this person's username. Now, another cool thing you can do is rather than just going to TikTok, you can also find videos like this on Instagram. So if you go to Instagram, what you're gonna do is just go to the search bar here, and we just wanna type in funny dogs. The same thing you typed in on TikTok, we just wanna search that in. You can find a profile like funny dog clips, and chances are they will have funny clips, okay? So I can open this up. I can make sure it's pretty funny, okay? So, a cute dog falling over. If you love dogs, this is a pretty cute and funny video that should get a lot of shares. We also can look, make sure that, quite a few people are liking this, okay? So this is a popular post. And then we just can go to the very top of the page and click that link, and then just put it there. And then we want to hit enter a few times, and then we want to copy this person's profile right there, the name of it, okay? And then paste it in like that. Now, once we have a few different videos, the next thing we want to do is we want to go over to a site called snaptik.app, okay? Now I'm going to include all the links in this video in the description below. What this does is this will allow you to download TikTok videos without a watermark, okay? Which is pretty amazing. So we just go to our notepad file, and all the TikTok links we want to actually copy. We want to paste that in, and then hit download. And then you can just download that to your phone, or if you're doing it on a computer, and then I just click download, okay? And you can see it downloading. Now we want to do the same thing, okay? Download another video. We go through, copy this one, go there, paste, and download. And again, we're just downloading this to our device, and we just click download there, okay? So both videos are downloaded. Now for Instagram videos, we can go to a site called snapinsta.app. And again, this link will be in the description as well. We can open up the Instagram video that we found, and we can just put it in this site. And we're basically just downloading these videos from Instagram and TikTok. Okay, now once the videos are downloaded, you can just go to a free site called canva.com, and you can just in this search bar type in mobile videos, okay? Once you do that and you search, as you can see, I searched it there, you'll see all these different templates, but we can just go ahead and click create a blank mobile video. Now the reason we want to do this is we want to actually combine the videos that we downloaded into one longer video. So what I can do is I can actually go over here to uploads, and I can click upload file, and then choose those videos from my computer or my phone. Okay, so once these are uploaded, all you have to do is just click on one of them, and it will appear. Okay, we just want to drag it out so it fills the entire video like that. And then we can just click add a page, and then we just click the next video, and then we just stretch this out, okay, so it fits. Right? So now if we were to play this entire video, is already a lot longer. You can see it's combined, now it's a minute long. Like I said, you want to get to at least 2 to 3 minutes to make sure you have the best chance for this video to go viral. So I would upload maybe 1, 2 more. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the first video, okay? And you want to go here, and you want to see what account posted that. And we want to actually copy this. And then we want to go here, and we just want to click text, and we want to do add a subheading, and we want to do credit. We want to type this in, credit, TikTok, okay? And then we put in the name of the account, okay? So if I put it down here and I actually make it bold, okay? You can see right there, if I zoom in, it has the credit, okay? So when we actually do this, we're giving the credit, so we're actually able to use these videos. And then you just want to click the next clip. And again, you want to add a subheading. You can go through, do the same thing. Now for Instagram, you would just do the same thing, okay? And you would just say credit, Instagram, okay? And then you'd put in the person's name, and then you can drag it to the bottom. Now, once you do that for all the videos, you then just want to click share, and you want to actually go down to download, and then you just download the video to your computer or phone. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is go back to your Facebook fan page, go down here, and then just upload that photo or video, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click this and select that video. Okay, so I went ahead and uploaded the video to my Facebook fan page, imagining that this Facebook fan page is in the dog niche as I showed how to create. And then you just want to write a headline here. Okay, now you can make it somewhat clickbaity. So I can say something like, you know, whoa, you won't believe what this dog did. Okay, something like that. And you can actually do an emoji, and you can create an emoji that's going to get someone's attention. Okay, so I can do an emoji like this one. Okay, just like that. And then you can go ahead and enter. And then here's where we're going to start to make money. So this is going to be a headline to get people's attention. This video is already viral on other platforms, so we know it has a great chance to go viral on Facebook. And then you just basically can say, boost your dog's brain power here, or discover how to make money here, or discover how to lose weight fast here, whatever your product is. And then we just open this notepad, we get the tiny URL, the shortened link, and then you can just put it in right there. So basically what this will do is this will allow you to get tons of views. Okay, a lot of these videos are going to start going viral, and people will see this, they'll click your link, and they will start to go to your affiliate page. And because it's high converting, when they buy, you will start to rake in money. And it's not unlikely to make thousands of dollars a week when you start to have a few videos going viral. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.